Hello students, Mr. Bestias here. Welcome to Unit 4, Week 2, Day 1. Make sure you have your meaning mapper, article a day, your book of knowledge, and paper and pencil to write with. Today, we will learn important facts about our weather and other facts about Earth. First things first, let's get started with our focus word. This week, our focus word is layer. Can you repeat that after me? Layer. Sounds good to me. How many syllables do you hear in the word layer? Layer. That's right. 2 syllables. Say all the sounds you hear in the word layer. Repeat after me. L, A, I, E, Layer. Does this word look or sound like a word in another language? Layer kind of sounds like leer in Spanish, which means reading. Now take out your meaning mapper. As usual, in the middle we have our focus word, layer, and the definition. Layers are parts of one thing that lie on top of each other, like the parts of a tall cake. What words does this word make you think of or remind you of? Add that word to your meaning mapper. I added the word clothes because clothes can be worn in layers. As you can see in the picture, you can have your base layer, mid layer, and outer layer. Let's get started with our article a day, wild weather. First, what do you see in this picture? I see trees covered with a lot of snow. There must have been a huge blizzard the night before. March is filled with many different types of weather. Weather is the condition of the outside air. Tornadoes are one type of weather. This is a tornado. Tornado winds can reach 300 miles per hour. That's as fast as some airplanes can fly. Keep reading for answers to some common questions about weather. Common means the same in a lot of places or for a lot of people. The truth about weather. There is a science behind every kind of weather. Uncover some interesting weather facts. If someone uncovers something, they show to the world what was hidden before. In Spanish, we say destapar o descubrir. Why do clouds sometimes look as if they are on the ground instead of in the sky? Sometimes clouds form near the ground. That is called fog. Both fog and clouds are made up of tiny drops of water that hang in the air. Fog forms over the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, California. Here on the right, we have a picture of the Golden Gate Bridge, and then we see fog. Fog makes it look like the sky is on the ground, but they're just clouds that form near the ground. What is a blizzard? A blizzard is a winter storm with strong winds. The wind blows the snow so that it is hard to see. Most blizzards last at least 3 hours. Look at this picture of the blizzard. What do you see? I see a lot of snow, and it says that it is hard to see in blizzards, and I can see that because I can barely see the car in the picture. Which comes first, thunder or lightning? This is lightning on the right. Let's read more to find out. Thunder and lightning happen at the same time. As lightning strikes, it heats the air around it. When lightning strikes, it shoots down from the sky to the earth. Here we see a lot of lightning striking. That causes the air to expand. When something expands, it gets larger or wider. In Spanish, we say expandir, extender, dilatar, ensanchar, o difundir. When the air expands, we hear a loud crash called thunder. The sound reaches us after we have seen the lightning. How does rain make a rainbow? This is a rainbow. Rainbows appear when sunlight passes through raindrops in the sky. As the light passes through, it is broken up into 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Cloud coverage. Clouds form when warm air rises, then cools. Cirrus clouds are white, wispy streaks high in the sky. Inside these clouds is ice. These are cirrus clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds are large thunderclouds. Thunderstorms and tornadoes can form in these clouds. Cumulus clouds are large and puffy. They usually form near the ground and rise to the sky. Stratus clouds are thick layers of clouds low in the sky. Light rain or snow can fall from these clouds. Here we see the different types of clouds: cumulonimbus clouds, cumulus clouds, and stratus clouds. Now take out your book of knowledge and write down 2 or 3 things you learned from the article and would like to remember. Take a moment to do so now. As usual, I'm going to go back to my article to find some information to add to my book of knowledge. The first thing I learned is that tornado winds can reach up to 300 miles per hour. I'm going to add that to my book of knowledge. I learned that tornadoes can reach up to 300 miles per hour. I also learned that when clouds form near the ground, it's called fog. I'm going to add that as well. I also learned that when clouds form near the ground, it's called fog. Now, this makes me think of an old movie called The Day After Tomorrow, which is all about wild weather. So this makes me think of The Day After Tomorrow because it is all about wild weather. Now take out your meaning mapper. In the middle, we have our focus word, layers. Layers are parts of one thing that lie on top of each other, like parts of a tall cake. We already wrote down the word clothes because we can wear clothes in layers. You can wear an undershirt, then a shirt, then a hoodie, and then even a coat. So you can wear clothes in a lot of layers. After reading the article, what other word could you add to your meaning mapper? Take a moment to do so now. I added the word clouds because clouds are also in layers. That's it for me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.